Welcome to Package to Purpose. My name is Edmund. Today, we integrate our automation engine or our central controller, which is Ansible AWX, into Slack for notifications. This will ensure that we get notified if jobs are executed, if we need approvals, and all of that. So on the AWX dashboard, if we come to administration, notifications, we are able to add a notification and choose different types of notification. In our case, we'll choose Slack. So you can have AWS SNS, so that if you have an SNS topic in AWS, you can reference that, have subscribers subscribe to it, and these alerts are pushed to it. You can have email, Grafana, PagerDuty. In our case, we'd use Slack. So there are a couple of things we need here. A name, the organization, we can have these. Then we'd require a destination channel and a token. To get the token, we would need to create a Slack app. To get a destination channel, we need a Slack workspace. You don't need the pro version of Slack to do this. I'm not using the pro version of Slack. I'm using the free version of Slack. So I have my AWS workspace here, Package to Purpose, and I have a channel, AWX Alerts. This is what we'll be using. So we'll be receiving an alert in this channel, which is in this workspace, and we'll need to create our Slack app. You navigate to api.slack.com/apps. Make sure you are logged in, and we have an option to create a new app. We create this from scratch. We call this AWX Alert. Then we choose our workspace, which is Package to Purpose. We create the app. What we need from the app basically is a token, as you saw, that we can reference. And the token must have some permissions. So what we'll do is that we'll go to OAuth and permissions. Then under bot token scopes, we add a couple of permissions. So the first one that would add is chat write. So this allows us to send messages as AWX alert. Would add another one, which is chat write public, which allows us to send to public channels. Then we would have channels read, which allows us to read channel information. Then once we have this, we'll install this to Package to Purpose. So we'll allow, then we can copy our token. So let's come back to our channel and make sure that we've installed this application in our channel. To do that, we go to settings here. So let's see, edit settings, then integrations. We can add an app. Then this is the app we want to add. With our app added, we can go back to AWX and we say Slack notifications. Then this is in our Velox Bank organization. We are sending this to AWX alerts, that is our channel. The token is what we copied. Then you can have a color for your notification. You can also customize your messages if you want. We won't customize them. We'll save and let's test if this works. So we have a notification test 1. And if we look at this, it references this URL, but we are unable to get there because that is not our AWX URL here. Now we have that because in our settings in AWX, we have the base URL of the service referenced at this. We don't want that. We want to change it. So we edit and we select this as our base URL. And we save. So let's go back to our notifications again. Notifications, Slack notification. Let's do another test. So now if we have a notification test, and this actually references our AWX instance, and able to just go there and see what is happening. In our next episode, we would create a schedule for our inventory. So our inventories here, netbox, sources, this source, we'll create a schedule for it so that at specific intervals, AWS can go and pull details from netbox and will tie in and get some notifications. If this has been helpful, kindly hit like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.